What I have here is a little mini projector, a little mini HD projector. When I say mini, look at it's hand sized. It's got speakers in it, so you can take this and whatever system that you have, computer, phone, whatever, and go and do presentations or show movies or whatnot. This is probably pretty good for showing movies out, your little mini drive-in, play it on the side of the barn or whatnot when you're out camping. I personally got it as a backup for when I do classes, because I can put a PowerPoint app on my iPhone, run it to this, and if something happens to the computer or something happens to my big projector, this doesn't take up a lot of space, and that way I don't have to, have issues with mechanics. So it was only $99, so that's pretty cool. It comes with the projector, a remote, cables, instructions. It has a connector here. This can go to a regular old tripod, so I can put this on my camera tripod. Here's a screw for the leg, so I can adjust it up and down if I want to. Okay. On the back, power cable, IR for the remote, and then you've got the speaker, and here's all the buttons. Okay, so let's try it out. It's a little bright in here, so it's not really showing, I guess, as good as it could. But I've set the projector up on a tripod, and it's shooting to it, and it's pretty clear. It's pretty clear. This does have a speaker to it, so we could, play movies or whatnot. But for $99 for a projector that small, that is a very good backup for doing classes. Can you hear it? Yeah. Ooh, it's making me dizzy. You're looking at the phone, you're not looking at the screen.
Hey guys, comment below if you want me to go in the nether. I'm going to go right now.
I don't think the people watching this really care much about Minecraft.
Whee!
Oh, he went in the nether. Alright, so anyway, like I said, $99, pretty cool. And it's got multiple connections. Don't mind the dirty clothes. I was trying to get that done before the wife come home. It's got USB. It's got 2 different audio hookups, HDMI and VGA, right? And it comes with audio adapter for RCA hookups, so that is not bad.